The rainfalls of Western Ghats are also called as the monsoon rains. During the month from June to September, we usually get heavy rainfall in this area. The wind from the Arabian Sea climbed the slope of Western Ghats from 900 to 1200 meters. As soon as they become cool, the wind-wide side of Western Ghats receives heavy rainfall. Rainfall in this region averages 3000 to 4000 millimeter. With localized extremes, it touches 9000 millimeter. When something patterns, it makes a light rhythmic tapping sound. Beautiful rainfall sounds.